الرحيم الحمد لله وكفى والصلاة والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى سلام على المرسلين. Respected listeners, in one of the previous Jum'ahs I talked about Shirk Akbar, and we mentioned that Shirk Akbar is to deny the true haqiqat of Tawheed, whether it be in Tawheed bil-Dhat, Tawheed al-Sifat, or Tawheed al-Af'al. Shirk is of two types: Shirk Akbar and Shirk Asghar. Today I wanted to mention a few points in regards to Shirk Asghar, which in our istilah is also known as Riya, ostentation. Many of the scholars of Hadith started their books with a chapter of Niyat and Sincerity to show to the Ummah the importance of having Ikhlas. The Messenger sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is reported to have said, إِنَّمَا يَنْصُرُ اللَّهُ هَذِهِ الْأُمَّةِ بِضَعِيفِهَا بِصَلَاتِهِمْ, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala assists this ummah بِدَعْوَتِهِمْ, through their weak people, because of their du'as to Him, because of their salah, or bi-ikhlasihim, and because of their sincerity. That Allah Ta'ala assists this ummah because of their sincere intentions. That whatever we do it for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And ikhlas plays a big role in the acceptance of our deeds. In one narration, the Messenger sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, a person who takes rest in his bed at night with the intention of waking up for tahajjud, and sleep overpowers him, the hadith mentions that this person will receive the reward of reading tahajjud. وَكَانَ نَوْمُهُ صَدَقَةً عَلَيْهِ مِنْ رَبِّهِ, and his sleep will be a form of sadaqah from Allah upon him. Why? Because of his intention, because of his sincerity. And the purpose of today's talk is not that we question everyone's intention, but we question our intention. What is our intention when we carry out good deeds? Are we truly sincere? Are our a'mal solely for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Or do we fall into shirk asghar, riya? In one narration, the Messenger sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said that beware of hidden shirk. And the companions, may Allah be pleased with them all, asked the Messenger alayhi salam, what is hidden shirk? And the Messenger alayhi salam said that a person stands to perform prayer and he adorns, beautifies, he lengthens his prayer because he sees people are watching him. Allahu Akbar. Ask ourselves the question, has this ever happened to you? Have you ever adorned a'mal because you're being watched? Another hadith, there's a valley in Jahannam. Other parts of Jahannam seek refuge from it 400 times a day. And that valley has been prepared for those who do a'mal for other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Another narration, on the day of Qiyamah, an announcement will be made that those who did good deeds for other than Allah, go and seek your reward from them. And today, people have amassed thousands of followers because they make videos of their good deeds. I'm not talking about charities. Charities for purpose of viability, they need to make videos of their projects. I'm talking about certain Muslims who are independent, who will make an entire video of showing themselves giving £100, £200 to a poor person. And that video has now amassed thousands of likes. They say that when you go out to do an act of charity, then leave your phone at home. Ikhlas, my friends, plays a great role in the acceptance of our deeds. If our a'mal are void of ikhlas, then we wake up on Qiyamah thinking that our book of deeds are full. But in haqiqat, we'll wake up and our book of deeds will be empty. As the poet, he says, बात नीयत की होती है साहिब, बात नीयत की होती है साहिब, लोग काबे से भी खाली हाथ लौटते हैं और बाज घर बैठे रब को पा लेते हैं. That some people, they go to the Kaaba and they come back with nothing, and some sit at home and they find Allah. Why? बात नीयत की होती है साहिब, because it's all about intention. So let's check our intentions and make sure our a'mal are for the sake of Allah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.